I think and hope that these technologies will be in clinical trials in the next 5 to 10 years. And I see this being a viable option. The biggest barrier is the scale up production of nanoparticles. So again, depends on what your knowledge is in that space, but it can be hard to make enough. But that's something we do really well. I'm a chemical engineer. So we have scale up procedures that we've already vetted that we know work. So I hope in 5 to 10 years we'll be in a clinical trial for the polymersome based treatment. I think what I hope for the coacervate-based technology is that we can get some interest from pharmaceutical companies who are willing to license our technology. What we think is that it could be used already in biomanufacturing. That would be a pretty easy integration. We're working to integrate that into a probe, which could monitor in real time, which would also be really cool. But we also think, based on what we've seen in the lab, is that these coacervated mRNAs could be encapsulated in nanoparticles. But what we think is that pharmaceutical companies would be most interested in doing this with their nanoparticles that they already have, that are already approved by the FDA, that have been vetted. And so we're hoping that we can license our technology to them, help work to integrate our technology into their nanoparticle platform. And then maybe in 15 to 20 years, we might see some of that in clinical trials. So one of my mentors in grad school, he's in clinical trials right now. And this is why I have a good sense of how long this can take.